In this video, I will show you that how to disable automatic WordPress updates. So for this purpose, we can install a plugin, and the plugin name is Easy Updates Manager. So we will type here Easy Updates Manager. You can see Easy Updates Manager is here, and this plugin has been developed by Easy Updates Manager team, has more than 300,000 plus active installations, and it's compatible with the version of WordPress. So you can install this plugin. What gets updated in automatic background updates, usually like core updates, plugin updates, theme updates, translation file updates. So there could be any kind of update available. Sometimes a plugin updates, but it's not compatible. Sometimes a plugin automatically updates in your WordPress dashboard because the automatic updates are enabled. Therefore, if there is a new update available, the plugin will update, but it's not compatible with the active theme of your WordPress. So that could be conflict, or even the new WordPress update is available, so that can also be not compatible. So for this, we can go to dashboard, and now you can see updates options are here. So we will proceed to updates option. You can disable all updates here. This is a master switch and will enable or disable updates for the WordPress installation. Switching updates off is not recommended. And you can also disable core updates, or you can auto update all releases. WordPress core updates plugin. If you want to disable plugin updates, you can from here. If you want to disable automatic updates for theme, you can do from here. Translation updates you can disable from here. So this is the easy method you can use, and then you can simply update the settings. But here you can see plugins. So if you go to the plugin section, so each plugin, like plugin updates allowed, so you can block this one, plugin update. So for a specific plugin, if you want, you can do from here also. So this is the easy method you can use to disable automatic WordPress updates using the Easy Updates Manager plugin. Thank you so much for watching this video.